Hi all, and welcome to Teaching Online Successfully. This is the Facilitate section, and I will be your facilitator. My name is Pardes Mitchell. The overview and goals for this video are to provide you an overview of the syllabus. I will briefly go over the course calendar. I'll show you around our Blackboard course and some of the course activities and assignments that we will have. The objectives for this course is to help you understand how having a faculty facilitation plan can help improve your learner success. You will assess best practices for this online facilitation, design a facilitation schedule for the term, and implement best practices into your upcoming course shell and Blackboard. Now let's move on to Blackboard. When you enter our course, you will enter our landing page, which contains announcements. You should have received an announcement saying that our course is now open and what you can expect from this course, as well as what are some of the tools you will need for this course. The next tab will bring you to our syllabus and schedule. Our syllabus is offered right here. And our schedule is also placed onto this page. As you can see how the schedule is broken down, you have your week and dates. What are the outcomes for that week? The activities for the week, and these are, you can think of them as learning experiences. And then these are our assignments with due dates. Under faculty information, you can learn a little bit more about myself. And then all of the materials you'll need are located in the Learning Modules menu item. As you can see here, our course orientation is the first thing you will need to open and start completing. When you enter a learning module, it gives you an overview on the top. Again, it connects the objectives to the course, the learning activities, and then your actual assignments here. Your learning resources are located in this folder, and your assignments are located in the second folder. So for this orientation, what you will need to do is submit your statement of understanding assignment, which is over here. You can see, you can access your Sandbox course shell. I have a question and answer discussion board. And I also would like you to upload your Blackboard profile picture, or you can do an avatar, anything that you feel describes who you are. And then your introduction post. So for this orientation week, your introduction post is due by Wednesday, and then you have until Friday to reply to one member. When you click on the post introduction, it will bring you to our discussion board. And here is our first Getting to Know You introduction post. So to access it, you would just click on it, create thread. And then what's nice about this is on the top, you have your forum. Oops, the computer runs a little slow when I have Collaborate going. You have your forum descriptions. This just, again, tells you what to put into the discussion board. And as I've already mentioned, you have until Friday to reply to at least one person. And to reply to a classmate, you would just click on their post and then click on reply here. It'll open up your text box. You would just type in your reply and click on submit. You can also access the discussion boards on the left side over here in the menu under discussion board. So the other assignments for this class is for week 1, you are going to be creating an online course facilitation schedule. The format you use is really up to you. There are 2 items that are located for that, or that are provided for instruction. This is one which really breaks down the different ways you should be communicating with your students throughout the semester. And they fall into 4 sections: managerial, social, pedagogical, and technical. So this just gives you an idea of what you should, how you should be communicating with your students, and at what points throughout the semester. A sample facilitation schedule. Now, this is what you will be completing and turning in. This is just a sample one. Feel free to use and edit it as you see fit. But this is what I would like to see turned in, or something like this. You can certainly use whatever program you'd like to complete it. What I don't want to see is this one with just check marks. So I do want to see a schedule laid out, and then you would separate your communication again into the managerial, social tasks, pedagogical tasks, and technical tasks. And that would be for one, and again, you would have another discussion board. And then our week 2 is implementing these best practices. So really for this week, you're going to be working a lot in your sandbox. And you're going to be writing and posting on Courses Now open email, a welcome announcement for your students, updating your syllabus, building your faculty information in your Blackboard, which, as you can see, it's up here for mine, the faculty information, setting up your discussion board forums, and constructing a midterm survey. And then finally is for you to practice using Collaborate, which is what I'm using right now, and then sharing that video and your experiences with using Collaborate. What do you like about it? What did you struggle with? And then lastly, I would appreciate any feedback for this course, and you can complete the Facilitate course survey. This really concludes our orientation video. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns.